Hi guys, this is my Christmas present, a Samsung Galaxy Watch, 46mm model, silver coloration, with long battery life, IP60 certification. So we open the box, and here's my beautiful present. Compatibility with my phone, Samsung Galaxy 7 Edge. It's a beautiful product. So now we can. Where's more in this box? I'm sorry, I'm recording with one hand because the other hand going to open these small boxes. I think here's the charger. Yes, there's a fast charge. While in the second box, okay. If we are able to open this, guarantee other things, and an adapter from other hands. A fast charger, guarantee, manuals, other things. So here's the complete box of the Samsung Galaxy Watch. Wait, here's it. Fantastic. Super AMOLED screen, long life battery, 2 days if I have activated always on display every day without closing it in the night, 5 days if I do this. That's it. What a present.